Hey everybody! So today I wanted to go over the PMD Microdermabrasion system. Welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. It's your boy Noah Lee. So today I wanted to go over the PMD Microdermabrasion system because this device has changed my life. So the one that I got is the PMD for men. I've been using this for about 7 months now, and it has totally changed the way that my skin has been. So the awesome thing about this microdermabrasion system is it comes with, I believe, 4 different little crystal beaded discs. And these last about 3 to 4 treatments, something you do once a week. Basically, some of the instructions is you just go in a nice motion up your face until all of it's done, and you obviously avoid the eye areas. It takes like maybe 5 minutes, and it's awesome. You can see all the dead skin flakes in the little chamber here that you could just take apart and clean super easily. And the one thing I really like about this is that it has a vacuum system. So while it's spinning the disc to lightly exfoliate your skin, it also sucks the dead skin, so the dead skin isn't just flying everywhere. And you know, I tried different microdermabrasion systems, specifically the Neutrogena one that had the huge disc that you would replace, and I didn't really like it because I didn't feel like it was getting enough to specific areas. And this one honestly is completely different. Obviously it's, I believe, $159 to a $200 something price tag, so this is definitely a device that is not in the cheapest price range, but it's one of those products that I invested in, and it's one of those products that gave me more than exceptional results, as you can see from other review videos on YouTube. So each disc, I told you, lasts 3 to 4 treatments, which is roughly 3 to 4 weeks. You can't do it more than a week because your skin will not be happy. It makes you very red, it makes your skin very dry. So you definitely have to do toner and moisturizer immediately after treatment, and make sure you cleanse before your treatment. So that way your skin is prepared in a sense. So the way you set it up is pretty simple. It's not a battery unit, it is a plug-in unit. So it comes with a cord, which I didn't like. They didn't show the cord, so I thought it was like a chargeable unit. And then you just twist it in, plug it in, you're good to go. It's a very kind of loud sound. As you're like going on your face, you'll hear that sound. And I'll go over a gentle area for you to see. You want to avoid the eye areas because you will get really red. And you pretty much just like do this until you have every area of your face, all that dead skin. It's gross. This product really works. They say that it takes about 8 to 12 weeks before you start seeing actual results. I definitely noticed results around 8 weeks. I mean, the first few weeks, my skin was definitely happier, less blackheads, less breakouts. My skin was a lot softer after the first 2 treatments, which to me is unbelievable. You can start at a softer disc, so it's not as abrasive, and work your way up. I started at the green disc, which is this one, and then I swapped over to the red disc as I noticed that the green disc wasn't doing as much, so it became more and more abrasive. The red disc is not something you want to start out with because your skin will be very red, it will be very irritated, and you might actually do more damage than you will healing. So definitely make sure you start off at a lower abrasive disc, so that way you're not literally tearing your skin apart, because then you're just going to cause scarring, you're going to cause infection, yada yada. Best to work your way up. You will not see faster results by starting at a more abrasive disc, I promise you. I tried, my skin was torn up and very red, so it's something you want to work your way up to very slowly until your skin can tolerate it. They have a chart that shows you the level of abrasiveness on the little packet that you get, and the box comes with a very nice instruction manual. It's been a really nice little device since I got it. I mean, I don't really have redness anymore from it, aside from obviously the first hour from after treatment. My skin is significantly softer, I get significantly less breakouts. It healed a majority of the acne scars that I had on my face. That's the big thing. It helps make pores look so much smaller because it gets rid of all that clutter, gets rid of all the dirt, the dead skin, and it makes your acne scars go away because it's literally doing micro tears into your skin, so that way it makes the collagen in the healing process boost, because the little crystals, when your skin senses that it's damaged, it will begin to regenerate. And what this does is it does little micro tears into your skin, so that way your brain and your body's like, oh hey, there's damage there, there's inflammation there, so it sends the little things in your body that go, hey, we need to help that area. Everything's a little thingy. You'd never know that I actually had a science degree. Anyway, so awesome device. I would give it a 10 out of 10. It feels kind of cheap because it's plastic. I would give the body maybe like a 5 out of 10. It scratches easily, it bangs easily. It's not the most durable looking thing, but it does hold up. You definitely want to get a little case for it. I just use a little makeup bag. Does the trick. Keeps my charger, keeps my little discs, keeps the device in it perfectly fine. And you have to make sure you wash the nozzle that you can twist off, and you wash the disc, and you wash the little filter that it comes with soap and water, because it can build up bacteria and other gross things, because you know it's taking that off of your skin. So if you're looking for something that is relatively expensive but you know will last you for years, and you're looking for something that will give you steady, noticeable results and will completely change the way your skin looks, acts, reacts, all of that stuff, you want to get the PMD Microdermabrasion system. Again, it's about $159 to $200 something dollars. Replacement discs are a pack of 4, they're $20. So it's relatively cheap to upkeep, and I think it's personally a lot more inexpensive and economical to just get your own rather than go to a dermatologist to get microdermabrasion, because I had a dermatologist for quite a few years and I always got microdermabrasions there. And I think I was paying like $200 something dollars for a pack of 6 treatments. You can have this lifelong and pay $20 for 12 weeks of treatment, or you can go to a professional who generally is not the dermatologist themselves and get the same kind of treatment. I thought this thing was worth every penny. I continue to use it, if not every week, then every other week. And it's just something that's kind of like a foundation to having clear, beautiful, scarless free skin. And as you know, I have huge pores. They're significantly less big after using this. Less big is a great use of English. Awesome, go me. I don't really have acne scarring anymore. My face is shinier, my face is glowing, you know what I mean? And aside from the different products that I've already shown you in my previous videos, I use this as well to make sure that I just keep up that nice complexion. Because, you know, dead skin does pile up, it causes clogged pores, which cause blackheads, it causes bacteria to build up. So if you just have something that you can use once a week or once every other week, a couple times a month, to just make sure that you're carrying on that healthy skin, then you're gonna be in really good shape. Anywho, if you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please leave them in the comment section. Like this video with that thumbs up, subscribe for more future videos on skincare, beauty, and devices reviews, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!